dears, welcome to 4th Standard Maths Term 2 Lesson 6 Fraction Part 2 video session. Children, Part 1 video session we discussed definition of fraction, natural fraction, numerator and denominator. Today we are going to discuss about other new topics. Okay children, shall we get into the lesson? Write appropriately which represent of quarter 3/4. Of means 1 by 2. That means the picture has to divided into 2. In that one part has to color. Quarter means the picture has to divided by 4. In that one part should be color. That is 1 by 4 or quarter. 3/4 means the picture has to divided into 4. In that 4, 3 parts should be color. Okay children, now look at the image. The image has divided into 4. In that 3 parts are colored. So this is 3/4. Look at the second image. The image is divided into 4 parts. In that 4, one part is colored. So it is quarter. The same wise, look at the next third image. The image is divided into 4. In that one part they colored. So this is also quarter. Then fourth image. The image is divided into 2. In the 2, one part is colored. So it is half. The leaf image, it also divided into 2. In that one part is colored. So this is also half. Then circle has divided into 4. In that 4, one part is colored. So it is called quarter. Then rectangle is divided into 2. In the 2, one part is colored. So this is called half. Now we are going to see to identify the notation of fraction. For that, look at the example. There are 10 guavas in a basket. So the basket is there. In that we have 10 guavas, which are equal size. So all the guavas are equal size. Here the 10 guavas make as a whole. So they consider the 10 guava is the whole. That means whole means the 10 guavas has to come in the numerator or denominator dears. Yes, whole means the denominator. So it is the denominator. So 10 guavas is equal to whole. So they told 10 guavas is equal to whole. That means the 10 has to take it as denominator. If we take 4 guavas, okay, from that 10, 4 guavas they are going to take. So the 4 where has to come? Yes, it has to come in the numerator. So the answer, if we take 4 guavas, the answer is 4 by 10. So now 10 means denominator, then 4 means numerator. Likewise, remaining fruits. So totally we have 10 fruits. In that 10 they taken 4. So how much balance will be there? Yes, 6 fruits are balance will be there. So remaining fruits in the basket. So 6 by 10. Now 10 means denominator and 6 means numerator. Numerator and denominator. So we told already the top of the portion fraction we call it as numerator. Then down the bottom of the portion we call it as denominator. This circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So now look at that example. Circle they given. The circle has divided into 8 equal parts. So its denominator is 8. That is whole circle has divided into 8 parts. So the denominator is 8. In the 8 parts colored. So they colored, no, how many parts they colored dears? Yes, 3 parts they colored. So 3 parts are said to be a numerator. So the numerator is 3. So now we have to write as 3 by 8. Okay, so the circle has having totally 8 equal parts. So 8 has to come as a denominator. In that 8 parts, 3 parts they colored. That 3 has to come as a numerator. So the answer is 3 by 8. So 3/8, that is 3 by 8. The number above slash is called it as numerator. The number below slash is called it as denominator. So 3 is a numerator, 8 is a denominator. Division of whole. So now we are going to see in that whole half and 2/3 portion. So if they given half means how it should be. If they given 2/3 mean how it should be, we are going to see. Okay, now look at that, the image. So first they given circle, then they given ball, then they given a rectangle, then they given triangle. So these 4 images are divided into half. The whole portion was divided into 2 equal parts. In this 2 parts, one part is colored or shaded. The shaded fraction is 1/2 or half. Okay, children. So in that whole parts, it has divided into half, that is 2. In that one part they shaded. That is what they are saying, 1/2. Next we are going to see 2/3. Okay. So now look at that images. Circle, then rectangle, then triangle. So in that they are shaded 2/3. The whole portion was divided into 3 equal parts. So the whole portion has been divided into 3 equal parts. In that 2 parts are shaded. So the 2 parts shaded fraction is 2/3 or 2/3. Next, division of whole, 2/4 and 3/8. Okay. Now look at the images dear. So the circle they given, then triangle they given, then rectangle they given. So the 3 images are divided into 4. In that 4, 2 parts is shaded or colored. The whole portion was divided into 4 equal parts. In that 2 parts are shaded. So the shaded parts fraction is equal to 2/4 or 2/4. Next, rectangle they given, square they given, then circle they given. So all the 3 images they divided into 8 parts. In that 8 parts, how many parts they colored ma? Yes, they colored 3 parts. So 3/8. So now listen. The whole portion was divided into 8 equal parts. In that 3 parts are shaded. The shaded portions of fraction is equal to 3/8 or 3/8. So 1/2, 2/3, 2/4, then 3/8. Such numbers are examples for fractions. So in that whole we saw of, then 2/3, that is 2/3, then 2/4, then 3/8. These are the fractions examples. Next, identify which one is greater. Greater means bigger. Now look at both the images. First image, both the images, if you look, both the images are same. They given square. Likewise, both the images they cut into 4 halves. That is 4 pieces they cut. Now look at the first image, only one part they shaded. Look at the second image, 2 parts they shaded. So using this we are going to find out which one is greater. Now children, if you observe the picture, you can notice that they are Equally divided. Yes, I told. So the square they given, the square has equally divided into 4 pieces. In that first picture, one part is shaded. So the fraction is 1 by 4. So total we have 4. So we have to write 4 in the denominator. In that 1 they shaded, that has to write in the numerator. So 1 by 4. In the second picture, 2 parts are shaded. So in that second picture, 2 parts they shaded. So the fraction is 2 by 4. Okay. So in that picture 2, the shaded portion is greater than the picture 1, because in that picture 2 they shaded 2 parts. Picture 1 they shaded 1 part. So 2 is the greater or 1 is the greater, dears? Yes, 2 is the greater. So the picture 2 is the greater than picture 1. So 2 by 4 greater 1 by 4. That is, if you are comparing, 2 by 4 is the greater. That side you should put open mouth greater symbol. Understood children? This one. Next, identify which one is greater. Another one more examples I am going to explain. Now see dears, they given rectangles. So both the rectangles are divided into 5 equal parts. So the first image they are shaded 2 parts. Then second image they shaded 3 parts. So using this you shall have to think and say which one is greater. Yes, automatically second one is the greater because second has 3. First has 2. 2 is the greater or 3 is the greater, dears? Yes, 3 is the greater. Now look at that explanation. The first picture fraction is 2 by 5. The second picture fraction is 3 by 5. Here, the shaded portion of second picture is high, that is more. So, the second picture is the greater than first one. In other words, we can say picture 1 is smaller than the picture 2. So, 2 by 5 greater than 3 by 5. So, the answer 3 by 5 is the greater. So, that side you have to put open mouth greater symbol. Or otherwise, 2 by 5 is the smaller than 3 by 5. So, children, today we discussed fraction lesson part 2 video session. In that session, we saw quarter part, half part and 3/4 part of whole. Then we saw greater number. I hope children all are understood this video session. Thank you students.